Varsha.
And my name is Vinisha.
And we are sisters.
So we wanted to do a YouTube channel from a very long time, but we were really not sure on what content to keep in it.
Because we wanted to make videos on cooking.
But we are not good at cooking.
We love to eat.
We love to eat.
We wanted to make videos on positivity,
DIY videos,
makeup videos,
and whatnot.
Finally, we thought of coming up with this.
And Dee, do you know what these kind of vlogs are called? Where they are random videos.
No, what is it called?
It's called a lifestyle vlog. And this
is a lifestyle blog, guys. So our channel is lifestyle blog. So today we will show you about our creativity, which we did during the lockdown time.
This is the wall that we're talking about.
So the main idea for this was we had very dull wall behind, so we wanted to transform it to something really different.
We saw a lot of videos on YouTube and we realized that we want to do something to change the color and look of this wall.
If we can do this, then you can.
Anybody can.
Anybody can.
We have never had any experience in painting because we never got permission.
We would actually give you a wall. If you want to implement something, please take permission of your elders.
And we say this from experience. Yeah. So let's get into the video. Before we start on the video, I would like to tell you that we had a blue color wall, and that's why we had to paint the entire wall white. We put a coat of primer and then a coat of white paint.
But in case if you already have a lighter color texture, then please go ahead with it.
So the next step was to take a stencil. So I made my own stencil out of a cardboard box. I cut in the dimensions of 11 inches by 5.5 inches, and I will show you as to how we did the entire pattern on the wall using the stencil.
So this is how you can see we actually did it in the video here. And one more thing is what you can take care while doing this is start from one place and try to continue it towards the entire wall. Don't try to do it in two places together, because you will end up with some errors on the wall. So to avoid it, it's just a precautionary measure. You can just start with one side of the wall. Yeah.
So once you're done with drawing the entire design throughout the wall, you need to take adhesive, the one from Asian Paints, and put it all across the 4 borders of this design, and you'll end up with the design as you can see in the video.
So after putting the tapes, what we have to do, we have to mix the putty well with a ratio of
1:1 almost. Basically it just depends on how you want it. It has to be a little thick so that it is not very runny and it gives you good texture. So just go ahead and use your blade, the putty blade, and just put the putty all across. You have to dip your exterior roller in putty and just go across, roll the entire.
Get it a very good texture. Yeah. You can do that, and after that you can see that the wall looks like this. After like maybe you can give 10 minutes of it to dry, and then now what you have to do is slowly strip the tapes off.
And this is super therapeutic. It feels so good to do this.
It is very calming to do this.
And you'll have an extremely beautiful design on your wall. Now, if you want to leave it at this stage, it's totally optional. It'll look beautiful, white to white, or whatever color you have already on the wall to white looks beautiful. And that could be the end step. You can just put a coat of primer and leave it. But what we did is the next day we took a sandpaper and we rubbed the entire wall so that the putty, whatever has to fall, it just falls off at one time, and it doesn't, the process just stops there. And then we had to put primer.
We put primer, and then as you can see the edges, we painted it with this color. It's the color shade is given in the description over here, which we took it, and it took a little amount of time for us to just paint the edges, and then finally we had the wall ready, which you can see this.
One thing I need to tell you, and I forgot to tell you in the starting, is that when we thought that we want to do this transformation, we were looking for various options. We looked at wallpapers, and they looked beautiful, and they did not need much time. They were literally self-adhesives.
Yes. But the problem with that it costed us a bomb. Cost calculations exactly which we estimated, it came up to
a wall of each room. It cost us 60,000-70,000, and we were not willing to spend so much on this.
Exactly. And but with the way which we tried this design over here, it really costed us not more than 1,500. Yeah. So you can still minimize it further in case if you don't want the white paint or the primer, then you can. It can come within 1,000 rupees. So that's all about
give this video a try, and if you like our video,
please do like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon
button to not miss any updates from us.
Because we really want to give you guys more on what we do over here. So I hope you guys liked it.
Thanks guys. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, which you didn't say. So again, okay. You tell me now when you're actually ready.
Fine. Yeah. Wait. No. Are you looking fine?
Means why laughing? Yeah, okay. You can edit it.
Bye.
Wait. Let's do the starting again.